Find the coordinates of the image of point Q with coordinates -3, -7 under rotation through 180 degrees about the origin. So we rotate the point Q with coordinates -3, -7 through a 180 degrees angle about the origin. The question wants us to find the image that this point will produce, the coordinates of the image that this point will produce after it has gone through this rotation. We know that under a 180 degrees rotation about the origin, the rule is xy maps to -x, -y. So to get the image, we will negate the x value and then we will negate the y value. So when we use this rule to transform the point -3, -7, the image will have the coordinates 7, 3. As we can see here, we will negate the x coordinate and then we will negate the y coordinate. The x coordinate here is already negative, so -3 will give us +3, and then -7 will also give us +7. So it means that when we rotate the point Q with coordinates -3, -7 through a 180 degrees angle about the origin, the coordinates of the image will be 3, 7. When we look through the options, the correct option is option A, 3, 7.